lake was formed in January when a massive landslide hit the village of Attabad in Gilgit-Baltistan, damming the Hunza River and killing at least 20 people. Five months hence, the azure blue lake, fed by the melting Himalayan glaciers and rainfall, is more than 16 miles long, over 400 feet deep, and already has submerged a number of villages. The lake also has blocked parts of the strategically important Karakoram highway, which links Pakistan and China. The fast swelling of the lake has been attributed to the ineffectiveness of a spillway which the Pakistani government constructed hurriedly after a breach became imminent in May. Only about 5,200 cusecs of water is flowing through it against an inflow of over 6,000 cusecs. With an increase in temperature, the melting snow could pour in as much as 40,000 cusecs by July. Water level in Gulmit, a popular tourist resort, rose by as much as 8 inches in mid-June and had entered the homes of the people. Experts have warned of further damage in residential and commercial areas upstream if the spillway, built at a cost of about $1 million, is not widened immediately.
अब हमें मालूम था कि ये 396 फीट अगर ये पानी भर जाए तो इसने 20 किलोमीटर तक जो ना झील बननी है, तो इस पे जो ना हमने खदशात दायर किया कि देखो आइनाबाद है, शिशकट है या गुलमित है, तो ये सारे डूब जाएंगे, तो सारे घर के घर जो ना तबाह हो जाएंगे, लेकिन जो है ना हुकूमत होश में नहीं है.
Mubarak Ali, a resident of Rahimabad, said 80% of his village had been submerged by water and the remaining areas faced the same threat.
बस किधर रोड में बैठेंगे या बाग में बैठेंगे और कोई भी हमारा चारा नहीं है. ये घर में आज तक सुबह 6 बजे तक हमने गुजारा. अब इसको उखाड़ते बस खत्म. सामान शिफ्ट किया था ऊपर बाग में फेंक दिया था.
A large number of potato fields and fruit orchards have been inundated by the rising floodwaters. The loss of livelihood have impacted at least 25,000 people. The people of the region have now taken upon themselves to widen the spillway of the lake, even as protests broke out in Aliabad town after police detained volunteers. Pakistan government has unleashed a wave of terror to block protests by locals. They even seized boats of the residents to prevent them from reaching the spillway. Angry residents said the Gilani government was not doing anything to address the situation. Exposed to the harsh climatic extremes, many of the displaced have fallen ill. Many complain they are not being given proper treatment.
ये कह रही है कि 3 दफ़ा अस्पताल लेके गए लेकिन वहाँ पे कोई इलाज नहीं हो रहा है. दवाइयाँ दी जा रही है और डॉक्टर इसे कह रहे हैं कि उस पे जो है वो फ़ायदा होगा, लेकिन उससे भी कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हो रहा है.
While the Pakistani government has constantly exploited the natural resources of Gilgit-Baltistan, it has done little to prevent the looming disaster, nor provide any substantive relief to the affected. It has downplayed the possibility of any flash flood, maintaining that the barrier is unlikely to breach, though the water may rise enough to overflow it by June-July.